So in the last class we discussed about the Taylor series. In the last column we have found out what is y1 and y2. Right or no? How did you find y2? By using the equation of x1 and y1. Instead of going to the third column, actually I have produced three columns. First one for the general derivatives. Second column for the derivatives at the points x0, y0. Third one will be for the derivatives at the point x1, y1. Okay? Using the second column we have got y1. Using the third column we have got y2. Instead of finding this one, even you can find your y2 using this x0, y0 itself. Okay, clear? Yes? So y1 use பண்ணினா y2 கண்டுபிடிக்க அவசியம் கிடையாது. To find y2 even you can use the equation of x0 and y0 itself. Okay? The same similar formula y2 equal to y0 plus h by 1 factorial y0 dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y0 dash plus etc. அதான் சொல்றேன் y1 ல இருந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க அவசியம் கிடையாது. y0 ல இருந்து உங்களால கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும்ன்றது நான் சொல்றேன். ஓகேவா? Using the same formula as y1 you can find even y2. What is the change you have to make is that in this h value. In the h value மட்டும் நீ மாத்தணும். Okay, so what are the values we will be having? y0, y1, y2. Parallel values x0, x1, x2. Okay, to find y1 we are coming from y1. Yes or no, you are moving only one step. So what is the h value for this one? 0.1. Okay, and if we are going to find y2 using y0 itself. So how many difference will be there? Two difference. Here 0.1, here 0.2. So what is the total difference? 0.2. 0.2. Internal difference. Okay, by internal difference is step by step. Okay, x0 and x1 ஒரு step, x1 and x2. Okay, இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? x0 ல இருந்து டைரக்டாவே x2 வரும். அப்பனா x2 minus x0 என்ன வரும்?
x2 minus x1.
What is x2? x2 0.2. x0 என்ன 0. So x2 minus 0 will be 0.2. So in that what you do is that replace x as 0.2. So using that y0 one column itself you can find any other numbers also. If you want to find y3 what you will do?
Integral difference of 3.
Integral difference between x3 and x0. Okay, the h value மட்டும் நீ மாத்தினா போதும். Using the integrations of x0 and y0 itself you can find any other y values. Okay, you are going to make use of only one set of value to get all the other values. Can you understand now? In other concept step extra than that. You can find all the derivatives at the point x1 and y1. If you are convenientness, go by that method. Otherwise, using the x1 and y0 itself, you find y2, y3, etc. any other values. Read out. Clear? Did we solve two problems in that one? Take our next one. Using Taylor series method. Using Taylor series method. Solve. Dy by dx minus 2y is equal general derivatives. Next you are going to find the derivatives at the point x0, y0. Start with the given derivative y dash equal to 3 e power x plus 2y. Do the differentiation. In all the problems, mostly we will deal with x and y now. Always x will be the independent variable and y will be the dependent variable. What is the differential of y dash?
Y double
Y double dash. 3 is a constant. What is the differential of e power x? E power x. Differential of exponential is the same. Plus 2 into. What is the differential of y? Y dash. Because it is a different variable. So y dash. Differentiate one more time. Y double dash will give you y double dash. 3 into again e power x will give you e power x. Plus 2 into differential of y dash, y double dash. Fourth derivative, 3 into e power x. Plus 2 into y double dash. Should we go for one more? It's easy only now. So go for the fifth derivative, 3 into e power x. Plus 2 into y power. Okay. அம்மா நம்ம கிளாஸ்ல தான் காலை நாள் பெயிண்ட் எழுதாது எனக்கு பெயிண்ட் இருக்குது 2 into y2 etc. Don't forget to put that etc. symbol. That is very important because it is an infinite series. What is the next column we have to do? Differentiate. What you have to find? Add x0 and y0. In this equations, replace all x and y to be x0, y0. For this problem, x0 is 0 and y0 is also 0. So y0 dash equal to 3 into e power 0 plus 2 into 0. 3. E power 0 will become 1. So you get the answer as 3. y0 double dash will be equal to 3 into e power 0 plus 2 into 3. This will become y0 dash. Y0 dash value is 3. 7 and 9. 7 by 7. 6. Not 1 more. 3 into 0. So you get that 9. Okay. Y0 triple dash. 3 into e power 0 plus 2 into 9. Because this will become y0 double dash. What does that say? 9 into 2 will be 18. 18 plus 3 will give you 41. y0 4. 3 into e power 0 plus 2 into third derivative is 21. 45. 21 into 2 more. y0 5. 3 into e power 0 plus 2 into 45. 93. Again here also we put etc. symbol. How many unknowns we are supposed to find? How many unknowns? Two unknowns. So we find y1 and y2. So you can get y1 by using this x0 and y0 now. For y2 you are going to go for x1 and y1 or from this itself. Did I get it now? As I told you now. Yes. So right. By Taylor series. y1 equal to 1 plus x by 1 factor into y0 dash plus x square by 2 factor into y0 triple dash plus etc. You have found out up to the fifth derivative, you are going to substitute up to that. So you are going to find y1 using y0 itself. So what will the x value? 1. In a whole step. Y0 in the y1 what you want step. So here you are going to substitute y naught dash value is 3 plus 1 square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash is 9 plus 1 cube by 3 factorial into triple dash value is 21 plus 1 power 4 by 4 factorial into 4th derivative value is 45 plus 1 power 5 by 5 factorial into 92. Find this answer. Put in the calculator as I have given you. 1 to the power of anything is 1 only. So don't put all those 6 and confuse in the calculator. I have given you how to input the data in the calculator also. Just input and get the answer. 30.6. Exactly 30.65.
Yes, ma'am.
No other decimal places.
30.6. Correct 30.6.
Okay, got the answer for y1 everyone? That's it. It's recording. Shall we start with y2? Now it's your choice now. We want to find y2 using y1 or y0. Yes? We want to find y2 using y1 or y0. y1. So we are going to find y1. ஒருவேளை y1 வச்சு போட போறோம்னா what you have to do? We are going to find y2 using y1 ma what you have to do? What is the next step? Complete or not up to this one y1? Listen, there are two options to find y2 ma. You can find from y1 or you can find from y0. If you are going to find from y1, what you have to do? You have to go for another column. In this column, you have to find all the derivatives of the point x1 and y1. If you are going to make use of y1 to find y2, you want to go by that one or directly by y0? This is easier. y0 வச்சு போடுறது easier. இதை நம்ம substitute பண்ணி எல்லாரையும் கண்டுபிடிப்போம். Instead of that one, make use of y0 and find what is y2. So right, y2 is equal to y0 plus h by 1 factorial y0 dash h square by 2 factorial y0 double dash etc. Same formula only. But what will be the difference? What will be the difference? Interval. How do I identify the interval? x0 and x2 in the difference in the problem. Okay, what you are going to do? You are going to find y2 directly from y0. corresponding expands in x0, x1, x2. We are not going to make use of this one. So you find the internal difference as x2 minus x0. What is the internal difference? 2. And then h is equal to 1. It is 1 and intended for you are taking 2 steps. So h is equal to 2. Same values and everything same. Substitute and take the answer.
106.8.
How much more?
108, 6.8.
106.8. Yeah. Okay, let's check. So don't forget to put that code approximately in answer, no? So when you input the data set in calculator, put it wisely, no? Don't make use of many brackets. First one 2 into 3 plus 2 square into 9 divided by 2 factorial plus 2 cubed into 21 divided by 3 factorial. 2 power 4 into 45 divided by 4 factorial. Put as a whole and take the answer.
It's